Alright, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 23rd, 2024. Here to give you the Google stock buy alert. Yes, I didn't say sell alert, I said a buy alert. Could we possibly see Google go higher in price? Of course we can. I'm going to show you off the chart why I presume that the price in Google is going to go higher. So keep it locked in right here, and I'm going to show you why I'm not worried about the stock just yet. So hit the like button. Consider it also subscribe here for more of this content, because I'll keep it real here. I'm your boy. We're tight. I'm not going to do anything to you that you won't want to do to me. So let's just keep it real. Let's keep it copacetic, as what some people say. And check this out. Look at this. Watch this. So we did a price prediction in Google, right? All the way back here in like April of this year. And I was bullish in the stock then. I was looking for Google to go higher. You guys can see from April the 2nd all the way to April the 29th, 9.17%. You haven't seen that video? Don't worry about it, because it's still in my playlist. You guys can check it out. Yeah, it's still there. What I said then to what happened on April the 29th, 9.17%. Now, could you have kept your strategy on in Google? You sure could have, right here. To when the market in Google topped out on July the 9th, 23.5%. And they said that you can't win in the stock market. Good call. Good to you if you was able to take it out at the high of July the 9th or July the 10th. Great job. But let's get back to it. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you is, look, we already had a place to where we suspected a certain price to where we would look for either more buyers or more sellers. In this situation, we would expect to see more buyers, meaning price to bounce. So we had this buy zone already listed on our chart, right? What happened in Google on September 9th, 10th, and the 11th? Look at this. What happened? The market stopped. Isn't that crazy? Like, that's amazing that we're able to predict these things off of our charts. While everyone else is making this game complicated, we're here showing that it doesn't have to be. Why did the market stop those 3 days in Google right here around $147? Why? How do we know that that was a buy zone all the way back here in March? How? Because the chart gave us the information. Everything that we need to know about a stock is already here. You don't have to do fundamental analysis, because fundamental analysis would not have given you, hey, expect the price to kind of stop around 146, 147. No. Fundamental analysis is subjective. You can place whatever you want on the stock, on the company's books, on the company's earnings. Everybody can have up their own thesis, their own ideas, and can formulate why they suspect price should be here. But when you just look at the chart for what it is, it don't give us that ability to do that. We strictly look at what is going on. So that's one reason why I'm not too worried about Google stock yet. It's because the buyers are still confirming that they're willing to buy the stock there. Because we were trending down in Google right here. This stock was in a downtrend, but they came and buyers re-engaged down here around 147, and the market now is lifting up. Again, that tells us that you don't have to worry about price breaking below 147 at least yet. Now let's look at Google on the weekly. Okay. Very fantastic price bar there. And then you can see what happened last week. Now, right now, I'm going to show you where the sellers could be, and it's right there. Okay, so this is going to be an issue for us in Google. We need to see the buyers break the sell zone for us to target another area higher. Okay, they need to do this first. That is the first objective of the buyers. Here's Google in the 2 weeks. Again, fantastic. The prior 2 weeks we got weakness, but then the next 2 weeks we came right back to where we pretty much started 2 weeks ago. If the market wasn't strong, if it wasn't bullish, it would not have done that. The market would have gone lower in Google then, but it didn't. It came right back up. So people thought, hey, Google's around 150, I'm about to buy more of it. And the sellers didn't hit back. Here it is on the weekly. I'm sorry, we already did that. Here it is on the 3, 5, and the monthly. Okay, so here it is on the 5. Now, I'm just going to show you where I think issues and problems are for the market buyers. Here is Google on the 4, Google on the 3. Okay. Let's look at Google on the 2. Look at all that volume that came in Google right here on this 2-day bar. This says a lot too. What happened? Did more people sell, or do you think more people bought? Because you can only get 2 transactions in the market. And it was a lot of transactions over the last 2 days in Google. And it looks to me like somebody did a whole lot of buying. Now we could break down this 2-day bar, which we will. You guys can see what day, instead of it being 2 days, it happened on 1 day, right? And look at what the market did. Look what it did. So this market is still bullish. Somebody bought a whole lot of Google. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. You can see even here, when you break it down to an hourly time frame, where did all this volume come from? Well, you can see right here on the 7-hour chart. What happened to the price after this volume came through? What happened? Look at it. Price went up. Again, it confirms to us that somebody bought Google. Another reason why I'm not concerned with the weakness in the market yet. Okay. And even here on the 3-hour chart, the market in Google, these are price bars to where you will want to see the market go down, right? Up fakes. When you see up fake bars, you want to see the market go down because it confirms the up fake. But instead, the market went back up. Again, someone is buying Google. I don't know who it is. Kathy Wood, Warren Buffett, the CEO of Google. I don't know. But somebody's like, look, something's coming down the pike. I need to come through and buy as much of this stock as possible because something good is about to go down. You will suspect that's what they're thinking. But for me, I don't care less what they're thinking. I care more about what they're doing. And if they're buying, then guess what we need to be predicting? Exactly. That we need to predict that stock in Google is going to go up. I think you guys are getting the gist of this game. So now let me do this. We're going to go ahead and anticipate higher prices in Google. Okay. Now, this buy zone down here is still valid. So we can extend this all the way down here. Okay. Now we got our worries though. This is where I will become a little bit more worried of Google going higher. This first area right here. So we need to place this at the target, and it's not even that much, 3%. Hey, we would rather get out the way of a fast moving train than stay on the tracks. Okay. So if it's just going to stop here, make its final destination here at 168, 170, we need to get up off and let the market go. If the buyers don't break this sell zone, our second target is going to be around 175 on the low of the second sell zone. Then our third target is going to be here at 178. Okay. We may bring this up just a little bit more. And that's it for the moment in Google. I'm going to create this sell zone here because this looks like this may be a logical area that the market may be targeting in Google. So that's it. We're going to keep it locked right here, and we will come back periodically if anything changes, see how the market looks, if we need to change anything up in our prediction. But as right now, this is what we're seeing. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.